Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow star. Let's learn together how to draw a star. Let's get started. Let's draw a simple star shape first, like this. Now, let's draw a cute face for our star. I draw two cute eyes. Her cheeks. And a smiling mouth. Wow, it looks great! Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring, I am going to use the colors of the rainbow like this. I start with red here. Then orange. Yellow, green, blue, and light purple for the rest. I use pink for her cheeks and fuchsia for her mouth. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.